Hi, this is Beenie Man, and I'm just here to make an apology to that girl on stage. The problem is I did this with her. I apologize to her, but that was privately between me and her. So now I do it publicly, so the people them can know that I'm not really style her. See it? I could have do it more, decent, but we chat patois, so we chat patois, it sound outrageous. But she was in pink and white and mud. Pink and white and mud put together, and she understands it. She was really dirty really at the time, but how me say it, it come across wrong, but she said she know, and she apologized to me, but I'm me supposed to apologize to her. So to all my fans that know say me is the girls and sugar, my whole career built off of the relationship with me, I'm a woman then. So I wouldn't want something to come across that Beenie Man is dissing no female any at all. And I love you all ladies, and no disrespect. And